Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Khodir, founder of novyPro.com. So today we're going to talk about how to build your first Power BI portfolio using novyPro. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is to just sign up, and automatically novyPro will create the basic structure of your Power BI portfolio that you need, and will even grab some information from your account and dummy data to create like the initial data for your Power BI portfolio. So here we just signed in. So the first thing that you need to complete, or we recommend that you complete when you create your own Power BI portfolio, is of course everything about you, like the bio, your username, your profile picture, your skills, even if you want to add your social media links and accounts. So how you do that, you go to portfolio, my portfolio, you go to edit profile, and you come to the about page. Let's use the light theme here. Okay. So first thing, let's say that you would like to change the name that was grabbed by novyPro from your Google account. Here, let's say Ahmed, there, demo. Okay. So within this page, when you every time that you change your username, okay, you will see that the page refresh, because novyPro actually changed all the URL for your portfolio. So this is the only time that the page will be refreshing, every time you change either your profile picture or username. And now let's say that you wish to change your introduction to something that is more interesting. So I will go and bring one of the interesting introduction by one of the members and just put it here. Next thing, that you want to give some compelling biography that everybody who sees it, you can grab their attention with your biography and tell them what exactly you're doing. You add some skills, Power BI, DAX, SQL. And the last thing, your social accounts. So here I will add LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And one more thing, when if you didn't yet create your own Power BI portfolio and you're new to the novyPro, so you will not be able to do much about this feature, because this is one of our future pro account features, and we have given the access to this feature now for our early supporters from novyPro, and until the day that we release our paid feature, this will be available for everybody else. So for the purposes of this demo, let's change my account to Pro. So here you can change your thumbnail. And by the way, the thumbnail is the image that will be seen every time that anyone shares your portfolio through WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook, or when you also do the same, if you shared your own portfolio through these social network. This is the image that will be attached with your introductory text. So here, saved, done. Okay, so the first step of creating your Power BI portfolio is already done. You just need to give a very attractive and catchy introduction, some bio that explains and talks about your experience and what you can do and what you can provide, your skills and your social accounts. So if anyone wants to see more about you or follow you through your social accounts, can reach you out here. So the second thing that we're going to talk about is how to create your first project within your portfolio. So as you see, if you go here to the projects page, there is nothing yet created. So let's create our first project. The first and most important information about adding a new report to your portfolio is that all reports that you will be adding to novyPro portfolio must be published to web public. Again, it must be a published to web public, okay? So let's say that you don't have that ability to publish your reports to public, then don't worry about it. novyPro will give you the credentials and the instructions to do that seamlessly. So what we will basically do, we will create to you a Microsoft account that have the ability to only create a Power BI free account, which has the ability to publish to web public. So what you need to do is to just, again, here, you come here, and when you see this message either here at the bottom of this add report form, or here, if you already have the ability, you don't need a new account, just press no. If you still need it, then just press confirm. And now novyPro will send you an email with both the email and password, new email and password that you will be using to create your Power BI free account with the ability to publish to web public, okay, and all the instruction that comes with it. So the process itself is really seamless, except for a part of the process which is a bit boring, which is connecting your new account, which we have provided to you, with Microsoft Authenticator app. So it's our measure to make sure that every time you use this account, it's only you who is using this account, and it's not anyone else. So let's go and check our emails. Yes, so this is the first welcome email that you get once you sign up. And since we have requested a publish to web public support, so this is the email that you receive here, etc., etc. And here it gives you your new credentials with novyPro, the new email with novyPro, and the new password. So let's check it out. One more advice. Before starting to do this kind of process, we recommend you first to download Microsoft Authenticator app. Okay? So the first thing that you need to do that will make your life much easier is to download the Microsoft Authenticator app and then get started with the rest of the steps. So the first step is to just sign in. Here I'll be signed into my account, so let's sign out. Refresh, and let's do it once again. So the first page that you will see is this page. So let's go and grab that email and password that was provided by novyPro. Here's the email. Submit. And the password to verify that this is really your account. Now again, add the same password that was provided within the email, and now you need to create a new password for yourself that only you know. Okay. Now you have changed the password to the password that you only know. Please memorize that account, because it takes us at novyPro some time to reset that password for you. So just to avoid waiting for 1 day or 2 days, just memorize that password or just save it somewhere safe, and just keep using it every time that it is required. So here you will be given a few options, like skip for 14 days to protect your account. This is a mandatory request by novyPro that you must protect your account with two-step verification. So please don't press skip for now. Please just press next and start the process. I know that it's kind of boring, but you're gonna do it just one time and that's it. Let me bring also my mobile phone. So now I'm opening my app Authenticator too. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to open up your Microsoft Authenticator app. Once you have opened it, just press next. So the next thing that it asks you to do is add an account and select work or school. So you will go to your Microsoft Authenticator app and add an account, work or school. And you will select now scan QR. Okay. So now with my phone, it's ready for scanning the QR. So it scanned it and it was added. So just press next. And it will do another step of verification, that it will just send a notification to approve through your Microsoft Authenticator app. So just on your mobile phone, hit approve. So now it is approved. Next. And done. You have now connected your Microsoft Authenticator app with that account that we have given you, and automatically Microsoft Power BI Web Services will create for you that Power BI free account. You don't need to do any other steps, as you see here. So now you have a Power BI free that enables you to publish to web public. Okay, so let's go back to Microsoft Desktop. Here you need to log in with that account that was provided by novyPro. Here, just add this email. And if you are connected, I think it will connect automatically. No, it will require a password, so let's add another account here. And add the password, the new password that you have added. Sign in. And voila, you are here. Okay. So now I have this report ready, and I just want to publish it and create and generate that embedded link to add it to my novyPro account. So please don't create also any other workspaces when you publish all of these reports. Just publish it to my workspace. So now this report is published to my new account that was provided by novyPro. It's a free license and it has the ability to publish to web. So now here within your my workspaces, okay, you will go to your report, you'll go to file, embed report, publish to web public, create embed code, publish, and just copy this code, okay, and go back to your novyPro account and go straight to this part of the add the new report form. And to make sure that the link is working, once you put the link, the actual dashboard will be presented here. So you can test it, you can see if everything is working fine, everything is perfect. Okay, let's get started. So let's edit the title. Edit the cover photo. And as you see here for the cover photo, there is this notification that tells you that the best aspect ratio for your cover photo for the project is 510 pixels width and 365 pixels as height. So if you want the perfect cover picture, please create your cover pictures with this aspect ratio. We have done the title, we have done the cover photo, we have done the link. Let's do just a wide example. Dummy data for the overview. You can write anything about your report here. What is the data that you have used? What is the data model that you are creating? What was the relationships? You can even add screenshots of your like parts of the report itself. For example, I'll be adding a couple of images here. And one more thing to be noticed of is that you have the ability here to add videos, but we totally don't recommend you to add video because it will make the load of the page much slower. Plus, this video adding to the overview or to any part of the novyPro is not responsive. We didn't really put much effort in the responsiveness of this part. And while when you add pictures to any overview or any description of anything here within novyPro, all the images that you will create will take 100% of the viewport, and it will be responsive. So every time that you make the screen smaller or use it on mobile phone, it will look really nice. But if you added a video, it will look terrible when you use something, viewports of less than 800 pixels, I think. So now you have completed your overview. Let's add some tags. E-commerce. Set anything. Modeling. SQL. And that's it. You just hit add report, and automatically it will be added to your projects. And every time you need to add a new project, just add it here, and it will be automatically also added to the inspiration page here, which everybody can interact with it, for example. And that's it. This is the most important parts about creating your portfolio, is the about page and adding your projects. Of course, there's a lot of things that involve within the platform itself. Please feel free to try them out, and if you have any questions or any recommendation for us, please let us know. And thank you for attending this session. Thank you.